Grand Prairie, Texas. Check this guy.
Casey, I love you, baby. I want you to marry me, baby.
I'm sure he doesn't want to marry you. Atlanta, Georgia. Watch to the end. Atlanta, Georgia, and you will be deeply moved by what you see.
If you can hear me, somebody that broke into their house across the street. So far, it seemed like a bando or somebody.
Decatur, Georgia.
I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting. I'm gonna call the cops. The cops are coming.
Atlanta.
Completely fair ID. All you have to do is click and watch right now before curiosity drives you mad. Before you spend another minute wondering if this could have changed everything. Because I can only help.
Kansas City, Missouri. I think he's trying to steal the camera. Portland, Oregon.
Wait, no.
I hope this will convince you to lock your doors. Portland, Oregon. Watch this woman. What's wrong with the camera? Portland, Oregon. What's that in your hand? Portland, Oregon. This thief will soon be discovered. Look what happens next.
Yeah, I'm just hiding from this guy just started jumping. I'm just hiding. They start jumping out there. Who? These three black dudes out there.
Omaha, Nebraska. Long Beach, California.
I know they see us already.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Fuck leaving that message. Hey, answer up the fucking door already.
Long Beach, California. Despite all the bad things, there are still positive and smiling people.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, I just want to let you know that Jesus loves you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Cerritos, California.
Yo, what you doing? Should I call the cops? I'm gonna call the cops now. Get out.
Duluth, Minnesota.
Fucking better be. Hello. What are you up to tonight? Better fucking. Oh, you dumb. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, dude. Remember me, dude?
Arlington, Texas. This strange man is trying to force the door open.
Hello, can I help you? Hello, why are you trying to open my door?
Atlanta, Georgia.
You'll find out. You're a big guy. Close the car. Hey, look, y'all want to break? Look, y'all want to break one of these? Or one of these? So it's empty, so it's G's. Come on, right here, so we can see this. So there's shit in there. Yeah, we good. Y'all want to break? Y'all want to break the door glass or the side glass? Come on, stop being fucking hard, nigga. I'm asking a question, huh? You act like niggas mad. No, I'm asking you, what do you fucking do, nigga? Do what you fucking do. I'm asking y'all boys. Bro, this nigga. Yeah.
Atlanta, Georgia. Another person who doesn't lock his door. This is what these guys do to people who don't lock their doors. I hope you lock your doors after this video. Atlanta, Georgia. You look great, ma'am, but you have to go.
What's the code?
Portland, Oregon.
Hey, Espanol, cállate, bitch.
Omaha, Nebraska.
Hey, yo, what are you doing, fool? What are you doing, dog? Get the fuck off the property before I call the cops.
Omaha, Nebraska. Another one of those who leave his door unlocked. Omaha, Nebraska. Lakewood, California. Auburn, Washington. Washington. Washington.
Does that look crazy or what? Looks like the sky's really low. Look at that. The fuck is that? It's like a fire in the mountains.
Clovis, California.
Turn left on North Elm Avenue, then drop off on the left.
Says homeowner, someone's Sprouts order got dropped at my door. Fresno, California. Clovis, California. Clovis, California. Watch till the end.
Excuse me, what are you doing? Excuse me. Put that down. Get your ass out of there. Beat your bitch ass.
Clovis, California. In the midst of so many bad and negative people, I leave a clip of a delivery packer loving a cute cat. He saw in the garden, "I love you all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I need all your support for the growth of my channel. New episode is coming."